Hey guys, yeah, this is Henry here again. Yeah, a lot of people have been finding it difficult to withdraw from their Exness account, and I think I know the solution, or I have the solution to the problem. Now, you might chat customer care up, and they are not really explaining. They are not really explaining it well to you, to your understanding. So I feel I can explain what is really happening. Now, to cut this video, to make this video as short as possible, if just listen very well, listen attentively right now. If you make a deposit via bank card on Exness, if you want to withdraw, you must withdraw with the same way you deposited, the same means, the same payment method you used. Let's say, for instance, you deposited with bank card, you must withdraw with bank card. Do you understand me? And withdrawals with bank card takes 5 to 7 business working days, or is it 3 to 5 or 5 to 7 working days, business working days? So you see, that is the problem. A lot of people complain. I tried withdrawing through my online bank transfer. Do you get? I tried withdrawing through other means, but the payment is not going through. They are declining the payment. Why? Is Exness real? Is Exness scam? That why they are declining is because you are not withdrawing through the process in which you deposited. So if you deposited through bank card, you must have to withdraw through bank card. And I think it is the first time withdrawal. That's when they ask for such. So that's why I always advise my students and everybody to make sure they make their deposit with online bank transfer. Because if you make deposit with online bank transfer, when you want to withdraw, withdrawing with online bank transfer is instant. But withdrawing with bank card takes 3 to 5 or 5 to 7 business working days. Do you understand me? So there are two things involved right now. If you deposit with bank card, you must make sure that you withdraw with bank card. So let me break it down a little. If you have all together, you've deposited $3,333 with bank card 5 times. So, and you have been trading and you've made a lot of profit. Now you want to withdraw. Once you click withdraw, do you get me? Once you click withdraw, you must make sure you click bank card. Click bank card because it will give you options in which you want to withdraw from. If you click something else, that withdrawal will not be successful. So if you click bank card, you will now see what they call refund. You see what they call refund. You'll be wondering, what is the meaning of refund? I didn't borrow money from Exness. Why would Exness tell me to refund? Don't get it twisted, guys. I think that's where they are making a mistake. That refund is indirectly saying withdrawal. So once you click that refund, you refund the first $3, second $3, third $3, fourth, and fifth. Once you've refunded all that, normally your balance will reduce. That means 3 times 5, 15. That is $15 will leave your balance. So you would think, oh, has Exness scammed me? No. Why haven't I received the alert in my bank account? It's because it takes 3 to 5 business days before you would get your money with bank card. Do you get it right now, guys? So let's say, for instance, you deposited $3 into 5 with online bank transfer. Now, once you want to withdraw, you click withdrawal, you click online bank transfer, you see refund. Once you click all those refunds, you refund 3 times 5, $15, you will receive it within 24 hours. That day, you receive it in your bank account. So the problem people make is they deposit with online bank transfer. These are the two mistakes people make. They deposit with online bank transfer and try withdrawing with another method. That's the first mistake. Now, the second mistake is they deposit with online bank transfer. No, what am I saying? Sorry, guys. They deposit with online bank card rather. Okay, let me come back again. Sorry, guys. The two mistake people make is they deposit with online bank card, which is their bank card, and they withdraw with online bank transfer or other withdrawal options, it will not go. The second mistake is you deposit with online bank card, your bank card, and you now withdraw with your same bank card, and you did not find the money in your account the first day, the second day. Now you start thinking, oh, Exness is a scam. That is because it takes 3 to 5 or 5 to 7 business days before you get your money with online bank card. Now, I don't know if it happens in other countries, but in Nigeria, and I believe in some African countries, that is how they do. That's how it works. So the advice I'm going to give to you now is always make sure you make your deposit through online bank transfer, not card, so that it will be easier for you to make your withdrawals and you'll get it instantly. The first time I wanted to withdraw, I was so furious. I was so mad with Exness because I have made deposits $3 into like 50 times. Do you get? So I have grown the account to thousands of dollars. So I wanted to withdraw. Now imagine, I didn't even know about it. Then I was saying refund. I was wondering, how will you tell me to refund the money I didn't borrow from you? Because I was thinking the money was going to go to them. So I contacted them, I chatted them up, they explained to me. I still didn't understand. So I just had to find my way through. So I was just clicking refund, $3 into 50 times. So after I've clicked all the whole refund, my balance reduced to, I think, maybe $800 or $700. Then, according to the customer care, she said if I have done the refund through bank card, then I can now withdraw through any other means. So what I now did was I first of all refunded through bank card. So when I was now left with like $700 or $800 in my account, then I now did a withdrawal with online bank transfer. Then I got the money instantly. So I just took my faith. I was like, oh, so Exness have scanned me. They've collected over how much? Because I was thinking the refund was going to them. I now said I was going to change my broker. But I was sad because I loved Exness. But guys, within 5 days, in 5 days, I just started getting the alert. $3. I just kept on coming into my account. I was so happy. So I just want you guys to know that Exness is not scam. Exness, the withdrawal process is very, very easy. But if you don't understand, you think maybe, what are these guys doing? So always make sure you deposit through bank transfer. So that your withdrawal can be instant. Have it in mind, if you deposit through bank card, withdrawal must be through bank card, and it will take 3 or 5, 7 business working days. Thank you guys. I don't know if I have made sense or if I've enlightened you. If I have, please like this video. That is how you can help me out. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. I really need your subscription, guys. And comment. Thank you. God bless you.